Good afternoon, all. Having listened to the head of DMRL and ex CMD of Midani, the next is he develop, he produces, and I use it. So, like without wasting further time, and I have been given very less time, I will go through it. I'll just brief about what is Armoured Vehicles Nigam Limited. It's erstwhile part of Ordnance Factory Board. Now it has been divided into 7 DPSUs newly formed. One of the DPSU is AVNL. We make battle tanks and infantry combat vehicles and mine protected and bulletproof vehicles for the country, armed forces and MHA requirements. Yes, we got a heavy vehicle factory and headquarters at Avadi, Chennai, engine factory also there, Ordnance factory Medak at Hyderabad, and vehicle factory Jabalpur, and MTPF, which makes the sub assemblies for the factories further and supplies to that gearbox kind of things and all. We have a training institutes and marketing offices at Delhi and Pune. This is the heavy vehicle factory Avadi. It has been having a MBT Arjun and T72 variants, BLT, and also T90 Bhishma, T72 Tral, and T72 Ajaya. These are all the products from heavy vehicle factory. These are the engines what we do for the T90 tank, V92S2, and engine V46 for T72, and UTD20 for BMP. It's the UTD20 300 HP and is a 700 HP T72 and around 900 T90 with turbocharger. Ordnance factory Medak is having a ICVs, infantry combat vehicles, and BMP 2K variants are AERV, CMT, CCPT and AAT. This ambulance is AAT. CCPT is there, one more variant. CMT is a carrier motor tracked vehicle, and armored engineering reconnaissance vehicle is AERV. Vehicle factory Jabalpur is a mine protected vehicles and bulletproof vehicles and military load carriers also. These are products. So MTPF, they make gearbox and electronic fuses, and Kavach, there's a decoy system for Indian Navy. These are all the products what I have already showed in the previous slides. Now coming back to this seminar, this is a very interesting topic and it is a need of the hour, and I congratulate the Metalogic and other organizers for this Make in Steel and Make in Bharat. And now I will be talking about emerging trends, lightweight alloys for military vehicles, and for a security supply chain, and corrosion resistance and durability, and prolonged lifespan and reduced maintenance for military assets. So, as you know, this is the conference theme, and I am having 25 years of experience in military vehicles manufacturing, and I'm a foundry man, metallurgical graduate from NIT Warangal, and this motivates me always, to find out the indigenous solutions for our country needs, and also specifically armored vehicles. So these are all the emerging trends: ballistic resistance, high strength, and low alloy steels. We know these are all been DMRL is continuously developing this for our country needs, and now the need of the hour is we need a lightweight and more strengthened and more strong alloys for our vehicles without losing the structure. At the same time, need to protect the for the fastly emerging the ammunition, especially loitering ammunition is the in the recent Ukraine war we are finding out is very difficult the tanks to move because of this loitering ammunition, and we are finding out the modular solutions for that. Nanotechnology, additive manufacturing is also there for particular applications, and AI machine learning is on the way. R&D, they are doing work on that. lightweight alloys for heavy vehicles. We know that titanium alloys and magnesium alloys, we are working on that. Composite materials also for the modular add-on armor is part of that composite materials. So trade-offs are like strength versus weight is the trade-off for this. Because of the mobility, if you increase the weight, then mobility will have to be compromised. Here we have got domestic steel plants. We got indigenous development. SAIL is almost covering all the products of JSS 9515 and also CDA 99, which are all the standards available in the country for the armored steels. And we are also having supply chain resilience because of market fluctuations. Now AMNS and JSPL and also to some extent this you got Hindu steel, but it is an imported but marketed in India, and Midhani is fully supporting our requirements also. We got a key Indian steel players in the defense supply, as I told, and we have got a very specific grades. Now DMR 1700 is the highest, having a very high strength, and also we got a HNS steels from developed by DMRL and now it is being manufactured at Midhani as well as our private steel industries also, and we are going to have a industry and academia collaborations for making our own design of tanks, strengthening of the testing the design, validation, and then having the stress levels so that we can have our own indigenous content of design. Otherwise we were depending on TOT and transfer of technology from other countries only. Now after CVRDE and VRDE into that, we are also as a ordnance factories AVNL. Now we are also going into the at least some specified sectors like TWS system, like turret weapon system, and armored design development of armored materials for a module solutions. Because steels are available, but to withstand the Stenag levels, Stenag 4569, level 4, level 5 and level 6 are not available, readily available, so that we are making some add-on armor so that we can meet the GSQR requirements of the Indian Army. Now this recycling of defense material is also a challenge, and now harsh environment it has to withstand. It has to withstand at minus 32 degrees to plus 50 degrees at different terrains of our country, and also at high altitude areas also it has to withstand. And also we have got a advanced protection system. Now APS is the requirement for us. That is like active protection system also being thought. Then we are also looking for cost reduction environment, because this cost reduction is also most required, because we need to provide a lesser cost vehicle with modern facilities, the equipment to the Indian Army. And prolonged lifespan and reduced maintenance cost also is to be maintained. So we are also working on that. And also lower lifetime cost, like overhauling of the vehicles after 15 years, after 30 years, so that the span of the vehicle can be improved and without compromising on the parameters. These are all the push R&D efforts as being given, and DMRL and Midhani also working on the same, and we are also into that along with CVRDE and also VRDE. We have made so many variants along with the collaboration only.
Nayudu, can we sum up, please?
Yeah, yes. This is the last slide, I suppose. India as a global leader in defense metallurgy and manufacturing, and we all know that we three are participating here from Hyderabad. Hyderabad is being a mecca of metallurgists and having a known developments in metallurgy field from Hyderabad. So definitely in the future will be looking for this more domestic production, R&D and steel advancement, and self-reliant defense as a part of Make in Bharat, Make in India. Thank you.